Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to rotate text in Lucidchart. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. For example, we're going to type in a text right here. Okay, I'm just going to drag and drop it. For example, in this area, I'm going to double click on it to start entering a text. For example, answer ASAP. Okay, I'm going to highlight it and change the color to white, just like that. And I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Make the box longer, just like that. Okay. Now, once that's done, I'm going to zoom in like so. Now click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have this icon, a rotating icon, which we can use to be able to rotate the text. For example, I'm going to hover my mouse onto it and then click and hold. And as you might notice here at the bottom, we have the degree. Okay. Clockwise would be like this, and counterclockwise right here. Okay, as you can see. Now you might ask, can you rotate a text from a table? For example, this table right here. I'm going to put in sample. Okay, I want to click on it. As you can see, we don't have that option. Okay, but you can rotate some image. For example, this image right here. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. As you can see here at the top left, same as the text, we can go ahead and click on it, then hold, then rotate. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.